Welcome back, my dear students. Today we are going to meet one of the most important heroes in our body, that's hemoglobin. This amazing protein molecule lives inside our red blood cells and works tirelessly to carry oxygen from our lungs to every single cell in our body and then brings carbon dioxide back for us to breathe out. It's like a super efficient delivery service and uh, into garbage collector rolled into one. Without hemoglobin, our body's energy supply would shut down in minutes. In this chapter, we will explore how hemoglobin is built, its structure, how it carries oxygen and carbon dioxide, its function, and why it's essential for our survival. So take a deep breath because that oxygen is about to take an exciting journey with hemoglobin. Let's get started. What is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin or Hb is the iron containing red pigment found inside red blood cells. It's what makes your blood red and your life possible. Type: chromoprotein, which is the protein plus pigment. Percentage in RBC: 95% of the dry weight and 30 to 34% of the weight of an RBC. Its main job is to transport oxygen from the lungs to tissues and carbon dioxide back from tissues to lungs. Its bonus job is acts as a buffer to maintain the body's pH balance. Its molecular weight is nearly 68,000 Dalton per RBC count. 280 approximately 280 million hemoglobin molecules are present per RBC. This is the blood vessel, contains erythrocytes or red blood cells in which the hemoglobin molecule is present, and within the hemoglobin molecule there is a heme group. This image illustrates the structure of hemoglobin in three categories of detail. Red blood cells or erythrocytes, shown on the left as a smooth biconcave disc representing the cell where hemoglobin is stored in case of vertebrates and functions to transport gases. The middle one is the hemoglobin molecule, depicted in the middle as a tangled ribbon-like structure representing the protein's complex folded shape that enables it to bind oxygen and carbon dioxide. The heme group on the right, the chemical diagram shows the heme group, a ring-shaped structure or porphyrin ring with a central iron atom. The iron atom is the binding site for oxygen molecule, making hemoglobin essential for oxygen transport in the blood. Structure of hemoglobin. Think of hemoglobin as a team of four players working together to carry oxygen. Globin, the protein part made up of four polypeptide chains. In adult hemoglobin or HbA, there is two alpha chain and two beta chains. In fetal hemoglobin or HbF, there is two alpha chain and two gamma chains. Each chain has 141 to 146 amino acids. The arrangement of amino acids makes each chain unique. This is the structure of the hemoglobin. The red colored are the different globin protein chains. There are four globin protein chains: alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1 and beta 2, and there are four heme groups associated with the each globin chain. Their heme is the pigment part. It is the non-protein part containing iron, Fe2 plus. Iron sits in the center of a ring-like structure called porphyrin, made up of four chiral rings linked by methane bridges. Each polypeptide chain holds one heme group, so one hemoglobin molecule has four hemes. Special ability: each Fe2 plus can bind one oxygen molecule, so one hemoglobin can carry four different oxygen molecules. Normal types of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin A or adult hemoglobin, it is alpha 2 beta 2, and HbA for fetal hemoglobin is the alpha 2 gamma 2. It is replaced by HbA after birth and completed within 10 to 12 weeks of embryonic development. It is hemoglobin F is functionally better because HbF has a higher oxygen affinity, helps the fetus extract oxygen from mother's blood. Life cycle of hemoglobin. RBC, in case of RBC, the life cycle is 120 days. Old RBCs are broken down in the spleen and other reticuloendothelial tissues. Globin is reused for new hemoglobin. Heme is split into iron stored as ferritin or hemosiderin, and porphyrin is converted to biliverdin. So bilirubin is equal to bile pigment. So we need discuss some fun and fascinating facts. Without hemoglobin, your blood would look pale yellow and carry almost no oxygen. Myoglobin in muscles and neuroglobin in the brain are hemoglobin's close relative and also carry oxygen. In some conditions, iron in hemoglobin gets oxidized to Fe3 plus or methemoglobin, which cannot bind oxygen. This can be dangerous. Fetal hemoglobin's oxygen hunger is a clever adaptation that ensures the baby never goes short of oxygen. How hemoglobin works. Oxygen transport. From lungs to tissues, hemoglobin binds oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin. Iron stays with Fe2 plus. Reversible process in tissues. Oxyhemoglobin releases oxygen, so hemoglobin becomes reduced hemoglobin. Quick fact: oxygen does not dissolve well in blood plasma, so without hemoglobin, our tissues would suffocate. Carbon dioxide transport from tissues to lungs. Hemoglobin binds CO2 to form carbaminohemoglobin, attaches to globin's amino groups. Hemoglobin has 20-fold higher affinity for carbon dioxide than oxygen, so carbon dioxide is released in the lungs to be exhaled. Buffering action. Hemoglobin helps maintain acid-base balance in blood, so by binding or releasing hydrogen ions, hemoglobin prevents dangerous pH swings. In short, why hemoglobin is a superstar? Oxygen taxi. It picks up oxygen from lungs and drops it to tissues. Carbon dioxide collector. It brings carbon dioxide back to lungs for the disposal. pH bodyguard. It keeps your blood's pH in check. Iron recycler. It conserves and reuses precious iron. So I hope this class helped you understand the amazing world of hemoglobin, the structure and function of hemoglobin, how it carries oxygen to every cell, brings back carbon dioxide, and even helps maintain our blood's pH balance. Truly, it's one of the body's hardest working molecules, keeping us alive and energetic every moment of the body. If you found this lesson helpful, please share and subscribe for more easy and interesting biology topics. Keep learning, stay curious and breathe easy. Thanks to hemoglobin. See you next time and take care. Thank you.